Yo guys, Charlie, Boss Leo be the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls Dem Slayer. What's up, man? Guys, we can't talk about the 5 levels of what you dey understand. The 5 levels of the money you have, the 5 levels of the standard of money you reach in your life, Charlie. With the first level of what we go talk about be the broke stage. See, some people they now they can't start. You dey understand. Right now, them a level of what be the broke state. Them broke, them no get nothing. Some self they sleep with their parents. Some self they sleep in kiosks, on trucks, inside fitting shop. People them a cars wey is spoil inside and they sleep. See, if you did that stage, make I tell you, we broke before. We pass through that stage. We dey understand. You no be shame to dey that stage inside because you no be your wish. You dey understand. Out of 100, it be only 10% wey they go get lucky say maybe their father be some rich man wey he pass money they give them. You dey understand. But with the 90% or we dey start from that broke state, my guy. So if you did that broke state, that no be the end of the world. But the only thing you go fit do then take comot from that broke state where it be the no be income. Start dey do or start dey look for things where it go give you money. If you start dey look for job, if you start dey do many things they get money. Anything where you go do where you go get some reasonable amount of money where you feel say this money be okay for the work they go do, Charlie, do am. You dey understand. Your own for be income. Because see, without income you can never get out of broke state. Without broke state too, Charlie, without income nothing can be done. You dey understand. So you better start creating income now and work on those things, Charlie. So, guys, the second stage be the struggle. The struggle be when you start the work, you start to get money, but you see say because you dey your stage 1, your broke state, you take loans, you credit things. So as you enter the struggle where it be stage 2, you for clear those loans, you for clear those debts. See, if I go recommend to you, I will tell you say use the 50-30-20 rule. You dey understand. Because at that stage 2, the struggle, you start to work, you start to get some money. You dey understand. But the money no be enough for you. That money no go fit take you go anywhere. So at that stage 2, what you go dey do be say the money you go get, you go put 50% for your body. If you don't, you go take the run your house, your utility bills, those things. You dey understand. Then you go take the 30%, take the pay those debts, the things you credit, the debt you get, you go take the 30% they clear am. Then go take the 20%, they save small. Where if be that stage 2, you for start to think of things you go dey do where go dey bring you extra money, like side hustles. You dey understand. Just for your main job, they give you like 5,000 or let's assume say 2,000 a month. You for create side hustles where it would give you like petty money. For they sell some things, you for find some things to do. You dey understand. Where stage 2 to what go move you from that struggle state be income. My guys, always they think of things where it will bring you money. Always they think of things where you go put cash in your pocket. That be the only thing where it will move you from stage 2. Guys, so stage 3 be financial stability. At this stage, you start the work, side hustles they come, main money they come, you pay all your loans and your debt finish. You dey understand. Stage 3 be where you dey take smarter decisions. Stage 3 be where you for live below the money you dey make. If you dey make 50,000 50,000 be too much for some people, so let's assume say you dey make like 5,000 a month. You dey understand? For stage 3, that be where you for dey take smart decisions. Then you dey invest like 4,000 a month. Then you dey plan your budget on 1,000. You dey understand? Stage 3 be where you dey decrease your liability, you dey decrease your expenditure, you dey reduce the monies you dey spend, you dey reduce the way money dey comot for your body, the things wey you dey put the money for your body, you for dey reduce them. Then you start dey increase the things wey e go dey give you money, the things wey e go dey lift you up. That be what you for dey do for stage 3, because that place be financial stability. You get money for your body, you know, dey owe nobody, no pressure dey your top. But plenty people, if they reach stage 3, then they stack. They feel so they make am in life. See, some people self know they reach stage 3. So if you reach stage 3, then congratulations. But my guy, that no be the stage you for remain there. You for go stage 4, with the stage 4 be rich man. So stage 4 be rich man. Where you see, that means stage 4 you still dey work, you still dey sacrifice time for money. You dey sacrifice your time to get money. That be stage 4. You be rich man, oh, but you still dey work, you still dey make more money. Because if you no work, the money you make put down, you go dey chop am. With the more you dey chop the money, the more you start dey go back. You start dey go back. When nobody go love say you go back to stage 2 or stage 1. You understand? So if you reach stage 4, where you be rich man, you have all the money in the world. Some people feel say that be the stage they make come, they be far okay in life, then they start to waste their money, they start to do things where you know they make sense. See, that stage 4 where you reach there, where you be rich man, that no be the end. If you not take care, you go sound go back again. You dey understand? So that stage 4 be where you sound they take smarter decisions. You understand? That be where you start to move your money. The money will make you that rich man. You start to move on. They invest that money in assets. You understand? Because to be a worthy man, to be a billionaire, to be somebody who is financially freedom, be somebody where you know the work, but he always get money. You know the work, but money always they come to him. You know the work, but always passive income. Passive income be when you know the work, but every time your things you put down, they create money, give you that money. The things they create give you that the passive income, because you know work for the money, but the money they come. Yes, that be the stage where if you reach, then you know say you reach financial freedom. Right now, then you are okay. You go feel wake up morning time, decide say you will go sit for the beach. Dey the beach and make night catch, you can't sleep. You wake up, you go sit beach, night catch, you can't sleep. Nothing will need you, no pressure dey your top. Everything be okay, because your properties, your assets, your things, they generate, they germinate, they do everything. They bring you money, they bring you cash. You get money all over. That be where you go feel sleep. That be where you go feel enjoy your life. That be where you go feel talk say, right now me and rich. You go feel buy whatever car you don't want. Then your things where you work, where you both know, those things go germinate money. They pay your luxury cars, they pay your luxury enjoyment. You they fly, they go Dubai, they fly, they go here, they have fun and things without thinking about money. That be what we they call financial freedom. You know, they sacrifice none of your time for money. You understand? Yes. So man, guys, I hope say you people all learn. They always tell you say becoming rich be easy, but always it depend on the mindset you the person you get. Some people them mindset go make them poor forever. Some to them mindset will make them rich forever. No matter what mindset you have, you go feel learn. You dey understand? With some people, some things they will not know, and we start to learn before we start to know. And guys, make you no stay back. Make you no let things make like you the life you know comes from. Charlie, nobody the way they born them with golden spoon for a mouth inside. You dey understand? But it be you for create am. See, being born into a poor family was not your fault. It wasn't your decision. You dey understand? But staying poor till you die, or staying poor forever, it's your decision. And the world does not care whatever happens to you. You are supposed to take total control over your life and make your life the way you want it. Charlie, once again, Boss Leo be the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls Them a Slayer. Charlie, this week, this month, this year, I be like I slay the girls chair. Next video, slay.